Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla if you are new here, and yeah, I look a little dark today and look a little crazy. I was just filming a video that will probably have been uploaded before this, and it was on the NYX eyeglasses. Today we are going to get into my Ipsy unboxing for March. It came pretty much on time. I mean, middle of the month is usually when it comes in. Or later. It's in, we're gonna do that. I also want to remind everybody that I am having a 100 subscriber giveaway, so all you have to do is be subscribed to this YouTube channel and you have a chance to win these lovely items right here. Remember to hit that little bell too if you want to get notified when I post videos, and hit the thumbs up button if you like it. We're gonna get started. Again, I do have my face on, so we're not going to be trying anything that's in here. I think I'm also going to be posting a video of the review of all of my Ipsys. So in other words, what do I have, what do I use, what did I not like, what did I just kind of throw out. I'm not going to be renewing my Ipsy subscription box because I want to try something new starting in June. I'm thinking probably BoxyCharm because I've heard some pretty decent things about it. If anyone else can think of any really good subscription boxes that are decent for their price and what you get in them, let me know. I'm open to other options, but so far, BoxyCharm is the one that appears to be winning so far. Alright, so this one, yeah, this month was a do-it-yourself bag. This is the bag itself. I'm not a big fan of that. I mean, yes, it's creative and I get it. Am I gonna color it? No. Am I probably gonna give the bag away? Yeah. So, I mean, it's cool for some people. I get it. Especially if you have kids, I imagine this would be kind of fun for them to do. I do have some items outside of the bag, so we're going to go through those first. First is a fan brush. So I actually don't own a fan brush. This should be interesting to try out. I know some people say that they work for them, and others people say that they don't work at all. So I'm curious to see if this one does work. It is definitely following like the mermaid, unicorn-ish kind of trend, I feel, with the color scheme. It feels very soft, if you can take a look at that. And that's what the handle looks like. So this is really pretty, this is really interesting, and guess what? It's going right in the brush jar, right there. So it'll get some use. Next up, we have two masks that, again, came out of the bag. And it says Good Night PM mask. So, skin feeling stressed from a long day, say goodbye to rough and dry skin. End your night with a rejuvenating PM mask to nourish and revitalize your skin overnight. So you're supposed to essentially leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then take it off and then you're good to go. So, I have two of these. I will be trying them for sure, especially because I know winter is ending, but my skin still feels really dry and I couldn't figure out how to moisturize it properly, so I'm gonna try that. Next, we actually get to open the bag. So, we've got the little card that I do not read. Next up, we have a City Color Glow Dough. There's a cream and a powder. It's even in bubble wrap. So this is cruelty-free, and it has a 12-month shelf life. What that looks like. The cream honestly feels a little bit oily. I don't know if I would wear the cream personally. Oh, with powder is really beautiful. This has also been sitting in my mailbox probably all day, so it's a little bit cold. I did try to keep it, like, warm it up a little bit. But here is the cream, and then here is the powder. So the powder looks like it's probably a little bit dark for me, to be honest, but the cream looks like it could definitely go nicely with my skin tone. So this is kind of interesting. I'm not sure if I'll keep this. I may give this to a friend. I may also just depot part of it. I don't know. We'll see. Next up, we have the markers. Am I still going to color the bag? No. So up next, we have a lip liner. This is from Contour Cosmetics. Looks like this. Very gold packaging. This is in the shade Stud, number 3. This right here is the lip liner. I don't have very many lip liners. Come on, stop focusing on my face. I don't have very many lip liners, to be quite honest, and this looks like it would go really well with some of my Marc Jacobs lipsticks. They don't really bleed, but, you know, just to have that little bit of extra protection is always nice, so I think I'm going to keep this, which is nice. I don't usually buy lip liners, so. And last but not least is this item from Glossier. This is a Balm.com Universal Skin Salve. I may use this, I'm not sure. Oh, it's too bright in here. The font is white, so that probably does not help at all. And if I get too close, it's not going to focus. But it says Glossier on there. A very tiny trial sample size. We'll see if I use it. This is kind of an eh. Overall, I don't know, like I have a love-hate relationship with Ipsy now, I feel, because there's always a couple items in a bag that I use, and then there's a couple that I'm probably never going to touch. And it doesn't matter what I review, or, you know, if I say I want fun colors, or if I want this, or if I want that, it doesn't seem to make a huge difference. Or, like, when you say you love something, you're gonna get that every time, which is, yeah, you know, okay. I love mascara, but do I need 10 of them? No. Like, I don't need 10 mascaras. So you almost have to change your preferences every once in a while. I'm not sure how I feel about the Glow Duo. I think I have a friend who may be interested in it, so Veronica, if you want to try this, you let me know. The masks, which I'm definitely gonna try, so that's a bonus. And lip liner's cool, definitely gonna keep that. Brush is definitely a go-to. So 3 out of 5 for sure are decent. So I mean, that's over 50%. So that's good. Yeah. So that's about it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you later.